Your concern for the society shall be a model for the times to come, and your eagerness for the sustainable development of India vis-a-vis global conditions are appreciable, for which you will be facilitated soon in the concluding session. Now, जैसा मैं आप लोगों से कह रहा था, राजनीतिज्ञों के बीच में शास्त्र के अनुसंधान करने का जैसा ऐसी मौका में कितना मुश्किलात होता है। हरियाणा तो एक तनाव था, मगर उत्तराखंड और उत्तर प्रदेश दूसरी तनाव है। बहुत जल्दी ही वो लोग दोनों राज्यों में आम जनता का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करने का मौका में तैयारियां में है। इसीलिए दोनों कृषि मंत्री भी इतना तैयारी होकर के बैठे होंगे कि क्या हासिल किया है, क्या संदेशा, जैसा हमारा सब्दाना बोल रहा था पहले सेशन में, वन लाइनर जैसा ही नारा क्या है, आज की नारा क्या होगा? साहिब साहब, बुनियाल साहब बोले तो पूछे तो 30 सेकंड में भी बोल सकते हैं, 30 मिनट में भी बोल सकते हैं। दोनों से अनुरोध करने के पहले मैं मेरा थोड़ी बात प्रस्ताव करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि I wanted to address the conclave, Dr. Khan, but you made me to moderate here. Friends, as we understand, the media grabbing attention against the agitation and the exact 360 degrees of the agriculture, and within animal husbandry or dairy sector, our experts, our panelists were mentioning, we are always mentioning about some milk only, but the capacity of the buffalo milk is not debated in Indian fora. And we also heard where there is lesser involvement of the governance and in the government, there the harmony and the profitability of the farmer is ensured. These contradictions and the realities, these are not, they need not be the contradictions, but the realities have to be taken in their own localized and nativized stride. That's what I wanted to focus. Monocropping and the usage of the ground table and the carbon capacity is not concerned for the normal farmer, that is the truth. But even then, how to sensitize them and make them attractive to the improved conditions and the opportunities. For that, it looked to me, for the innovators and the learners, those who are sitting on the backside, the Ninja cart and its experiment in India is going to be a real model. Tomorrow, if agriculture is to be understood in full, the involvement of the technology, the applicatory capacity of the tools available, not only in the field but also at the logistic level, at the data level, at the artificial intelligence implementation level, is going to matter. That is to be convinced to the farmers. In this, the growing capacity of the scientific fraternity to serve the agricultural needs, that is the agri-business, the agri-promotion, the agri-perennial attitudes, and the agro-scientists are going to play a very vital role. This is where the life, the sustainability of the agricultural sciences are existing. Based on that only the agrarian economy will have its scope to satisfy and to attract the new generations into agriculture, agriculture allied sector, agriculture related research and scientific involvement, and its promotion and the earning capacities of the participants and stakeholders of the agriculture as a whole. This, government is having its own role, but to what extent? As we understand, while having focus on various sectors of the total agriculture, government's role going to be very, very limited as far as the total produce of the variety of the production that is concerned, that is involved with the total population. And the consumption attitudes of the normal population is going to have a greater role in deciding and attracting the farming community. For this agricultural scientific fraternity is having the bridging role, for which I call upon those who are taking the agricultural sciences, veterinary sciences, animal husbandry sciences, horticulture sciences, at the same time agri-business as study and education to forward their career shall focus, because the bioengineering, biotechnology and biochemistry related with the agriculture is going to have very greater role along with the artificial technology and the technological advancement to sustain agriculture in the given conditions of Indian society. With this observation, I conclude my mention, and now we will try to hear the honorable ministers from both the important states, together forming almost half of the land mass or population or the agricultural activities concerned of our country. First, I request मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ सुबोध यूनियाली जी से, उत्तराखंड की मान्यवर कृषि मंत्री